Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can use ChatGPT to write a book. So to get started, let me tell you guys that ChatGPT had two versions. One is the website version and another one is application. So here we are using the ChatGPT application in order to write a book. So go ahead and open up your ChatGPT application and the user face will appear somewhat like this. So let me tell you something that ChatGPT does not write any books on any topics, but what it can do is it gives you context to write a book, certain ideas or some structures about the book that you want to write. So let's do it. Once you have opened it, in the message box, go ahead and type down. You can just simply type down write a book on the whatever topic that you like and just send it by tapping on the arrow button. So here the ChatGPT will start generating the book or certain ideas about the topics that you have provided to ChatGPT, and you can just see all the topics and the idea and information that ChatGPT has provided to you in order to write a book on the certain topic that you have provided. You can just take some idea from there and you can just rewrite your one book. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video guys. Goodbye till